Have you ever been hurt by someone you trusted? Maybe a friend betrayed you. Maybe a family member said something that broke your heart. Or maybe you can't forgive yourself for something you did. We all carry scare, not the kind that sew on our skin, but the ones that live deep inside our heart. And most of us think, if I forget them, they will think what they did was okay. But here's the truth. Forgiveness is not about other. It's about freeing yourself. Holding on to anger doesn't punish them, it only keeps you in pain. Let me honest, forgiveness is hard. It feels unfair because your mind keeps saying, they hurt me. Why should I let them go free? But think about this. When you hold a burning coal in your hand, who get burned? You don't. Anger, resentment, guilt, these are weight we carry long after the moment has passed. And the heavier they get, the less room we have for peace, for joy, for love. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting. It doesn't mean pretending it never happened. And it definitely doesn't mean what they did was right. Forgiveness simply means I choose peace or pain. It's not about excusing their behavior. It's about refusing to let it control your life anymore. It's an act of strength, not weakness. It's saying you no longer have power over my heart. When you forgive, you create space inside yourself for peace to grow again. You sleep better, you smile more, you stop replying the same story in your head. Because forgiveness doesn't change the past, it changes your relationship with the past. You don't stop being victim of what happened and become the author of what happened next. Sometimes the hardest person to forgive is yourself. You remember the mistake, you reply it over and over. You punish yourself quietly, but you are human. You are allowed to fall, to make poor choices, to learn. If you can forgive others for being imperfect, you must learn to forgive yourself too, because you deserve peace just as much as anyone else. Let your past be a lesson, not prison. Let's clear something important. Forgiveness is not pretending nothing happened. It's not allowing people to hurt you again and again. You can forgive and still walk away. You can forgive and still set boundaries. You can forgive silently without ever speaking to them again. Forgiveness is about your peace, not their comfort. They are an old story about two monks walking through the forest. They come across a woman who can't cross a muddy river. One monk quietly picks up her, carries her across, and put her down. They continues walking silently. After hour, the other monk saying angrily, "How could you touch that woman? We are not supposed to do that." The first monk smiles and says, "I put her down hours ago, but you are still carrying her in your mind." That what forgiveness does. It makes us carry people long after they have left. Forgiveness is not a one day event, it's a journey. But here how you can start. Step 1. Acknowledge the pain. Don't hide it. Don't minimize it. Say yes, this hurt me. That honestly is the beginning of healing. Step 2. Understand their humanity. People hurt other because they are hurt too. Not to justify, but to understand. It helps you see that their action reflect their pain, not your words. Step 3. Choose peace. Say to yourself, I realize this not for them, but for me. Repeat it until your heart believes it. Step 4. Detach gently. Forgive, but don't react. Keep your distance if you must, but let go of the emotional chain that binds you. When you finally forgive, you feel lighter. You start living in the present, not an old memory. You see people with softness again. You speak without bitterness. You sleep without replying old arguments because forgiveness gives you back your power, the power to live freely again. In every religion, every philosophy, every great wisdom, forgive is scared. Because when you forgive, you align with love. You become a reflect of grace, something this world deeply needs. When you forgive, you break a cycle of hate and pain. You become the reason peace being you. So, my friend, if there's something you still have not forgiven, maybe tonight you can start. You don't need to send a message. You don't need to say anything out loud. Just close your eyes and whisper to your heart, I realize this, I forgive, so I can be free. Because true freedom is not about having everything. It's about not carrying the weight of anything. Forgive not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace.